I tried Guarda Wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I decided to test the Guarda Wallet app, I wasn't sure what to expect. It's not as famous as MetaMask or Trust Wallet, but after using it for 7 days, the shocking truth is that Guarda might be one of the most underrated multi-asset wallets on the market today. The setup took less than a minute, no personal data, no kick, just a simple recovery phrase. Right away, I noticed something unusual. Guarda supports over 400 zero assets across dozens of blockchains, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, and even niche token from smaller networks. Most wallets limit your freedom, but Guarda gives you full control of your private keys, meaning you, and only you, own your crypto. Over the week, I tested everything: swapping coins, staking Ethereum, and connecting to dApps. The built-in exchange feature was smooth and offered fair rates. I also loved how Guarda integrates with Ledger hardware wallets for an extra layer of security. But the surprising truth came on day 4. While testing transfers, I realized Guarda isn't just a wallet, it's an entire ecosystem. You can buy crypto with a card, stake it for passive income, and manage NFTs, all inside the same app. The interface feels modern, but not overwhelming, which makes it perfect for both beginners and advanced users. Of course, there are small downsides. Network fees can add up if you're transacting often, and the mobile app occasionally lagged when switching blockchains. But overall, it handled complex operations like cross-chain swaps flawlessly. By the end of my test, the shocking truth was clear: Guarda combines the flexibility of a decentralized wallet with the convenience of an exchange. If you're tired of juggling multiple apps for crypto management, Guarda might just be the all-in-one solution you didn't know you needed.